In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Discord if you're using your mobile. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. If you're using your iPhone or your Android and you love to unblock someone on Discord, what you need to do, open your Discord. So this is the person I want to unblock, right? So let's say if I've previously blocked him and I'm going to just show you what I mean. So I'm going to just do this. Okay. So once I've opened the chat of Joss, if I want to unblock him, at first you're going to be able to see there's an unblock option down below where you can be able to unblock him. So if you click on unblock, you can see I just unblocked him, right? So you can be able to also click on his profile. If he's still previously blocked, this option of block is going to be written unblock today. So if you click on it, okay, I'm going to just click on block. I'm going to show you. So you can see unblock, right? So this is how I can do this. If you find this video helpful, please let me know below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the very next video.